Want a workout that's quick, effective, and needs no equipment? Look no further than the burpee. This simple yet powerful exercise can be done anywhere, anytime, and by anyone, regardless of fitness level. The burpee is a full-body exercise that combines strength training and cardiovascular conditioning. It's a favorite among athletes and fitness enthusiasts for a reason. This exercise is a favorite among athletes and fitness enthusiasts for a reason. It targets multiple muscle groups including your arms, chest, quads, glutes, hamstrings, and abs. It's a full-body blast that gets your heart pumping and muscles burning. The burpee is not just about building muscle. It's also about improving your cardiovascular endurance. Burpees might seem intimidating at first, but trust me, they're worth it. Start slow, focus on your form, and gradually increase your speed and intensity. They combine strength training and cardio in one dynamic movement. This makes them incredibly efficient, allowing you to get a great workout in a short amount of time. No fancy gym memberships or expensive equipment needed, just you and your determination. You can do burpees in your living room, backyard, or even at the park. Get ready to push your limits and unleash your inner beast. The burpee challenges your body and mind, helping you build mental toughness and resilience. With consistent effort, you'll be amazed at what your body can achieve. Over time, you'll notice improvements in your strength, endurance, and overall fitness level. So, what are you waiting for? Start incorporating burpees into your workout routine today and experience the transformative power of this incredible exercise. Let's break down the burpee into simple steps. First, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Squat down and place your hands on the floor in front of you. Then, kick your feet back so you're in a push-up position. Next, do a push-up. As you come up from the push-up, quickly jump your feet back towards your hands. Finally, explode upwards into a jump, reaching your arms overhead. That's one rep. Remember, proper form is key. Keep your core engaged throughout the exercise. Focus on smooth transitions between each movement. Burpees are like the Swiss Army knife of exercises. They work your entire body from head to toe. You'll engage your legs, glutes, core, chest, shoulders, and arms. Talk about a time-efficient workout. But the benefits don't stop there. Burpees are fantastic for your cardiovascular health. They get your heart rate up, improving your endurance and stamina. Plus, they torch calories, helping you achieve your fitness goals. Incorporate burpees into your routine, and you'll notice increased strength, power, and agility. It's a true testament to the saying, work smarter, not harder. Section 4, Burpee Beginners. Start strong, finish stronger. New to burpees? Don't worry, you got this. Burpees can seem intimidating at first, but with the right approach, anyone can master them. Start by modifying the exercise. It's perfectly okay to begin with a version that suits your current fitness level. Instead of doing a full push-up, lower your chest to the floor and come back up. This modification helps build the necessary strength and form. You can also step your feet back and forth instead of jumping. This reduces the impact on your joints and makes the movement more manageable. Begin with a manageable number of repetitions, like 5 to 10. It's important to set realistic goals to avoid burnout and injury. Focus on quality over quantity. Proper form ensures you get the most out of each burpee and prevents unnecessary strain on your body. As you get stronger, gradually increase the reps or shorten your rest periods. Remember, consistency is key. Regular practice will lead to noticeable improvements. Even a few burpees a day can make a difference. Incorporate them into your daily routine, whether it's in the morning, during a lunch break, or before bed. You'll be surprised how quickly you progress. Celebrate each milestone, no matter how small. Every step forward is a victory. Consider joining a group or finding a workout buddy. Exercising with others can provide motivation and make the experience more enjoyable. Keep track of your progress. Write down the number of burpees you do each day and note any improvements in your form or endurance. Don't hesitate to seek out additional resources. There are plenty of tutorials and guides available to help you refine your technique and stay motivated. Remember to cool down and stretch after your workout. This helps prevent soreness and keeps your muscles flexible. Stay hydrated. Drinking water before, during, and after your workout is crucial for maintaining energy levels and aiding recovery. Set new goals as you progress, whether it's increasing the number of burpees or improving your form. Having clear objectives keeps you focused and motivated. Embrace the journey and enjoy the process. Fitness is not just about the destination, but also about the growth and confidence you gain along the way. Celebrate your successes, big and small. Each achievement is a testament to your hard work and dedication. Start strong, finish stronger. Section 5. Burpee Bosses, level up your workout. Welcome to the ultimate guide to mastering burpees and taking your fitness routine to new heights. Ready to take your burpees to the next level? Try these advanced variations. These moves will not only challenge your strength, but also improve your agility and endurance. Add a box jump by jumping onto an elevated platform after each rep. This variation will engage your lower body muscles more intensely and help you build explosive power. This will increase the intensity and challenge your explosiveness. By incorporating box jumps, you are pushing your limits and enhancing your athletic performance. For an extra core workout, try burpee tuck jumps. This variation not only works your legs and arms, but also targets your abdominal muscles. Instead of jumping straight up, bring your knees towards your chest during the jump. This movement will engage your core and improve your overall stability and balance. You can also add weight by wearing a weighted vest or holding dumbbells. Adding resistance will make your muscles work harder, leading to greater strength gains. Remember to listen to your body and take rest days when needed. Recovery is just as important as the workout itself, allowing your muscles to repair and grow stronger. Always prioritize proper form over speed. Proper technique ensures you get the most out of your workout while minimizing the risk of injury. Focus on quality movements and gradually increase your speed as you become more comfortable with the exercises. Working out with a group can also be motivating and fun. Join a fitness class or find a workout buddy to keep you accountable and make the experience more enjoyable. Track your progress to stay motivated. Use a fitness app or journal to record your workouts, set goals, and celebrate your achievements. Don't forget to cool down and stretch after your workout. This helps to reduce muscle soreness and improve flexibility. Keep pushing your limits and enjoy the journey to becoming a burpee boss. You've got this. Section 6. Burpees anywhere, anytime, your fitness secret weapon. One of the best things about burpees is that you can do them anywhere, anytime. No gym, no problem. Do them in your living room, at the park, or even on your lunch break. Make burpees a part of your daily routine. Set a timer for 10 minutes and do as many burpees as you can with good form. You can also incorporate them into your existing workouts. Get creative and find what works best for you. The possibilities are endless. Section 7. Embrace the burpee. Your journey to a healthier you. Burpees are more than just an exercise, they're a challenge. They test your limits and push you to be your best. But the rewards are worth it. You'll gain strength, endurance, and confidence. So embrace the burpee. Make it your fitness ally, your secret